too. What kind of drinks do you have?
How about a square but this hot, it's not cold.
I could just put it in the fridge. So yeah. And then, right, that's it.
Hey! Come with the other one,
No, I don't see it.
the yellow one?
No, they never came.
Stop with pen, right? When?
Since June.
He never come in July?
No.
What happened to the other one is the still truck?
He came last week.
He come every day or not?
No, sometimes.
All right.
Thanks.